This video is going to provide a quick overview of a new functionality of the ApplyUC undergraduate application and the transcript evaluation service. Students in selected pilot districts will be able to import some of their courses and grades received from their TES data directly into the undergraduate application for the UC. What I'm going to do now is just go ahead and sign into a test account so that I can show you how the functionality works. So I'm going to sign in with a test account with fictitious data. And once I sign in, we are led to the landing page of the application. Students will complete the application in the same manner as they always do until they get to the academic history section. So the About You section, campuses and major section, that is all filled out as per usual. There are no changes there. When I come to the academic history section, after I read the introduction and enter any 7th or 8th grade courses that I may have taken that are A through G eligible, I am going to enter my high schools. Now, the thing about the application and the importing of the grades is that courses are imported as schools are added. So if a student has attended more than one school, let's say the student has attended 3 schools, as I'm going to show you in the example, the student will import their grades for each of those schools separately. So let's go ahead and start that. I'm going to add a high school. And this is in California. And I'm going to add the first high school, search for it by name. And the high school I'm going to select is Arroyo in El Monte. And once I have entered that information for the first school, I will see a message here that says I can import my courses and grades because the school I have selected is participating in the pilot and may have my data. In order to do so, the student needs to enter their California statewide student identifier. Again, this is fictitious data, so that's the number I'm going to enter in order to import the courses and grades that we have. And when you come down here, you'll see this radio button, import courses and grades. The student just goes ahead and clicks on that. They will be asked to confirm that they actually want to import their courses and grades. Once they do so, they will see a message that says, congratulations, your courses and grades from this school have been imported. They will be asked to check their information as they scroll down the page. The grading system and the school's term type has already been decided because we have that information in TES and it has been converted into the appropriate selections for the application. If this is not the school that the student will graduate from, we just want to go ahead and save that school and continue to add schools. So I'm going to add another high school. I'm going to add 2 more. They are all in the same district. And let's go ahead and add El Monte High School. That has been added. You will see for the second school that the statewide student identifier that I entered for the first school has already been entered and I cannot change it. If I need to change the statewide student identifier, I need to go back to the first school and re-enter that information. So let's go ahead and click import courses and grades. Yes, I want to do that. And again, check the information. This is 10th grade, 2019-20. The grading system and term type, again, has been imported automatically. Save and continue, and I'm going to enter the final school. So add 1 more high school. Mountain View High School, also in El Monte. And go through the same process. Confirm. Now, since this is the school where it appears I will be graduating from, I will get a message saying that there are some errors below. I'm going to continue working because I do want to complete this page. I get the message that my courses and grades have been imported for the school that I most recently entered. But when I come to the bottom, I will see 11th and 12th grade. Because I have taken courses in 12th grade at this school, it is going to ask me, is this the school I will graduate from? Yes, it is. What is the degree, diploma, or certification received? High school, secondary school diploma, and I'm going to select June of 2022. Once I save that data and I continue, I will see all of the schools that I have attended entered successfully. And when I finish adding high schools, I will now start with my 9th grade courses, and you see they've been automatically imported into the application. Only courses that match the A through G course list of the school where the course was taken are imported into the application, because we do need to verify that the courses students take are actually A through G approved. They will always see a message that says, please click edit to review and make changes to your imported courses and grades. We made a decision to force students to review their work in order to avoid any potentially misentered courses and grades. So I'm going to select edit, and I'm going to check the high school, and I'm going to verify that all of the courses that have been imported are in fact the courses I have taken and the grades that I have received. If there is a mistake, or if there is something that has been imported that does not look right to you, you can always change it. The student always has the ability to change the information that has been entered into the application automatically. So assuming that all of this is correct, I'm going to save and continue. And I am led to the next year, 2019-20, my 10th grade year. Again, I need to click edit so I can review the courses. I'm going to scroll quickly to the bottom and assume that all this information is correct. I will save and continue. And here I see my courses and grades again for 10th grade. I'm going to continue to 2021. And I will see that I have first semester and second semester grades. Many students may not have their second semester courses for the 11th grade and the first and second semester courses for 12th grade included in the import. This is because of the timing of the TES data submissions by schools. So there may be some students who do not, again, have 11th grade second semester courses or 12th grade courses imported. Students will just need to enter those manually. So I'm going to continue to go through this process until I get to the final year. I will click edit. We will see that there have been no courses that have been imported for the 12th grade year. Please enter the courses. So as a student, I would go ahead and enter each of the A through G courses that I have taken in the corresponding subject area. I'm going to go ahead, save, and continue without entering the information. Continue working. And I'm going to skip this page for now. And so that is it. That is the functionality. If there are any questions, please feel free to contact me. We hope that this makes it easier for your students to complete the application for the UC. If you have any feedback, please let us know. This is something that we'll be rolling out to more schools that participate in TES for the following application season, and your feedback is valuable to us so that we can continue to iterate and improve this functionality. Thank you so much.